Hey everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a lock video, but into this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my rope twist. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my edges, because since I had my baby, you guys, my edges was thinning out, but they're finally growing back. So I've had them in for like about 2 weeks, and it's time to take down my rope twist. Normally I would go longer than 2 weeks, but like I said, it's freezing up and my scalp is really itchy, so I know it's time to take them down. I'm gonna start by spraying my rope twist up a little bit just to loosen up them, and then I'm gonna start by oiling my hair up a little bit before I get started into taking down my rope twist. Okay, so now that after I finish oil my scalp up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a scrunchie and tie up all my locks up out of the way, and then I'm gonna start with one twist in the back, and then I'm gonna start working my way up to the top. I'm just gonna go in and just start popping all the ribbons with a comb. I tried to pop them with my finger, but as you guys can tell, my finger has some broken chopped up nails on them and it just wasn't working. So I'm just gonna go in with a comb and I'm just gonna untwist and unravel each one and work my way up to the top. So once you finish unraveling them, you get this crinkly, cute, curly kind of look, and is pretty much giving curly vibes. Like, it's just so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and just let you guys watch me take the rest of these rope twists out. It's pretty simple. Just pull and pop and remove the ribbon and then unravel the twist. Okay, so right here, you guys, this twist got knotted up to the root. Majority of all of them was like that. Like I said, my hair is a 4C type of hair, and when you're pulling that knot out, be careful. Try not to pull too rough and snug at it too hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull that out and just continue unraveling the rest. All right, so right here goes another knot, and when you want to pull on that, make sure you guys pull real gently. All right, you guys, I just want to point out that you guys see how long my locks have grown since my last lock video. Like, the length is amazing. Like, my locks has bloomed tremendously. Like, the length is just amazing. So this style, which is the rope twist, is like my favorite style since I started my lock journey because it's very versatile, and this has been my number one main go-to style because it's very versatile. Like, if you haven't seen my rope twist tutorial yet, make sure you guys click the link in the description box. I will link that down below for you guys. Even though that I am taking down my rope twist, you still have another look. Like, it's giving curly, crinkly wave vibe type of look. So this is my favorite main go-to hairstyle whenever I do my locks. Also, this is one of my main go-to hairstyles that I do whenever I just want to put my locks up out of the way and just call it a day. Okay, so right here, you guys, one of my lock fell out during my pregnancy, and I tried to grow it back in my previous videos, but it just wasn't giving. So I took it out couple days prior to me doing my rope twist. So this is why you guys see me have 3 twists in one. My locks is not even. It used to be until my pregnancy I lost a lock, but I love my growth and my results since I started my lock journey. I love how these rope twists turn out. The twists are really uniform and crinkly, and I just love how they turn out. So yeah, they're just giving body waves type of look. So lastly, I'm gonna go in and start styling my edges with my edge fixer and my eco styler gel. First, I'm gonna start applying my edge fixer on my edges, somewhat edges that is growing back since my pregnancy, but I have edges. But before, I didn't have any edges. Like, it was just crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna start styling that up with some edge fixer, and then I'm just gonna start using my edge comb that I bought from the beauty supply store and try to swoop somewhat edges that I got here. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to swoop that, and then I realized, like, after a while it just wasn't trying to swoop good enough, so I went in and I apply more edge fixer so that way, my edges can lay more flatter. Alright, you guys, so now that I finish style my edges to my likings with the edge fixer, I go in with my Eco Styler gel and just apply that to my edges, and then I go in and fix up any touches so that way it can swoop much better. I started this method because I realized that my edges lay flatter and they stay longer because of the texture type of hair that I have. Before, when I just would use the edge fixer, my edges would just like start lifting up within the next minute or so. But when I apply Eco Styler gel and the edge fixer both together, my edges last longer and they stay flatter. So yeah, this is why I do this step. And this is how the ending results turn out. Very sleek and laid. You can go ahead and tie that down and your edges will be looking sleek. So yes, you guys, this is just the ending of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And also let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, I've been having a lot of fun styling my locks. I've been doing couple styles, but I want to try different styles like bantu knots, a pineapple, also like perm rods as well on my hair, but I just have to find the right timing. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your guys post notification bell so you guys will miss any upload when I upload another video. Bye.